The Speaker put together a special committee that was co-chaired by Mr. Jones-Sawyer and myself, and we looked to our staff over a very short period of time to collect as much information as we could on Mr. Becerra. We looked at his congressional record, we looked at things that he had said, we looked at things that those others had said about him to determine, in our view, his suitability to be our next Attorney General. We had an extensive hearing that members of that committee had the opportunity to ask questions and probe. And I'll tell you what we found. We found an individual who knows California very, very well, who knows California's issues very, very well. And whether it's issues, and especially I'll focus on issues that are important to this House, the policies that we have advanced, policies that we have debated on this floor quite a bit, and whether it's climate change, whether it's protection of our environmental laws, whether it's immigration, whether it's sex trafficking, cannabis, and a myriad of others, issues that we have been facing, civil rights, criminal justice. Mr. Becerra reflects very significantly the views of this House, of this body. He is a man who, if you watched the hearing, and I hope all of you did, as a basis for being able to make a decision today, who was thoughtful, who was approachable, he met with every member of the committee, and who was absolutely charming in his willingness and ability to engage with us. He is someone who will be a partner, truly a partner, with this legislature as we move forward on policies that are important to California. He will help us stand up for the laws that we have passed, the structure we have created in California, from pressures outside of the state and pressures inside of the state. He knows that laws that get passed by this legislature need to be enforced equally across all jurisdictions in California. He has promised to uphold that. And he has promised to be a stalwart defender of our climate laws, our education laws, our laws that protect the people of California, our environmental laws. And in fact, on the environment, not only is he very sensitive and knows that he must protect California, where we strive for clean air, clean water, and we are a leader worldwide in that area, but he also will be a very strong partner as we seek to move that conversation to the environmental justice issues that we know we need to face. Members, I think that our committee thoroughly vetted Mr. Becerra. We've had a chance to understand who he is and how he will approach. And from my standpoint, I'm asking all of you to vote yes on this question that is before us today, because right now in California, there is no better individual to be Attorney General of our great state. I thank you.